Dear students, today we can study the distribution of stomata on upper and lower surfaces of leaves. There are two different types of leaves. One is isobilateral leaf. This is an isobilateral leaf. Here both the surface stomata are equally distributed. This one is a dorsiventral leaf. In this leaf, upper surfaces contain less stomata, whereas the lower surface contains more stomata. We have to find out the distribution of stomata on the upper and lower surfaces of the dicot leaves. This is the dorsiventral leaf. Stomata are minute openings on the epidermal layers of the aerial parts of the plant. Stomata or a stoma is surrounded by a specialized cell called the guard cell. Guard cells are kidney shaped. In the sense, its inner surface or the concave surfaces is highly thickened, whereas the outer surfaces is thin. And these guard cell surrounded by specialized epidermal cells called subsidiary cells. Stoma, guard cells, subsidiary cells together make a stomatal apparatus. See, for to study the stomata, material required are dorsiventral leaf. See, two types of dorsiventral leaves I am having. One is Vingarosian leaf, another one is a pepper leaf. And two petri dishes, they labeled as A and B. Two watch glasses labeled as A and B. Two glass slides that also labeled as A and B. Take this Vingarosea plant, take one of the leaf, hold in such a way that with the help of the blade, peel off the lower epidermal layer of the leaf. Transfer this peel to the petri dish labeled as A. Then peel off the upper epidermal layer with the same blade. And transfer this peel to the petri dish labeled as B. Now transfer the peel from the petri dish A to the glass slide, cut it to get a rectangular shape. Then transfer this peel to the petri dish. Transfer the peel to the watch glass containing the safranin. Same way, take the peel from petri dish B and cut to get a rectangular shape. Transfer the peel to the watch glass labeled as BA. Keep it for 1 minute for staining the peel. Take out the peel from the watch glass. Wash it with water to remove the excess stain. Then place the peel on the glass slider labeled as A. Then mount in glycerin. Then observe it under the microscope, low power microscope. Count the number of stomata appearing in the microscopic field. So around 25 stomata are seen in the epidermal layer of the lower surface of the leaf. Similarly, take the peel from the beef petri dish, wash it with water to remove the excess stain. Place it on the glass slide, labeled as B. Then the peel is mounted in glycerin. Observe it under the low power microscope. Count the number of stomata appearing in the microscopic field. Four stomata are seen here. So in a dorsiventral leaf, more stomata are seen in the lower epidermis.